All right, so I got here a pair of knee pads. I got these so that when I go into my crawl space, when I'm crawling around down there, my knees don't get all scraped up on the rocks and things like that. Need a new pair, so these look nice and heavy duty. Good size here as well. A bit bigger than my old ones, which basically just covered my knees. These are, the hard part of them is about 7 inches tall. And then there's padding around also that is even more, about 8.5 inches tall altogether. And the width, the hard part is about 6 inches wide, and then with the padding about 7 inches wide. So quite a bit bigger than my old ones, which probably were only about 4 by 4 inches in terms of how much coverage they actually had. And good thickness as well. So should provide plenty of padding there, protection for your knees, whether for sports or for construction, these kinds of things. Here's on the back side. The top part affixes with Velcro. I did wish that there was more Velcro, maybe like all the way there, and then on this side, more here, because these elastic bands do eventually kind of get a little stretched, and you need to stretch them more and more each time. So, but you could always probably add some more Velcro, and that might be what I end up doing if that happens. That's just kind of thinking down the line. They're fine for now, I'm sure. And then the bottom side doesn't have the Velcro. It has a little snap that you loop this on here, and it snaps closed like that. And then, of course, you can tighten it with that band there. So I'm going to try these on and see how they feel. All right, so I got this one on here. Went on really, really easily. I think the best way to do this is to take the bottom part off first, loop that around, fix that on first, pull a little tight, and then get that top one. Goes on super easy. Like how easy they are to put on. Provides good coverage. Really easy to move around in. Nice and flexible. Yeah, I think I like them.